and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. Another unboxing. I haven't stopped shopping, but this was something that I've been waiting for, and it's going to fill this. What is this? This is actually one of the original and first fragrance holders that came out, and it was limited when it came out, so that's why it looks like this and not the way the styles are right now. So I'm an early adopter, just like I was with the AirPods. So mine looks like this for my fragrances. So I did choose a fragrance from my samples from my last unboxing, and it did come in. So I'm going to get ready to open that. And I love my CAs here. They are amazing. And again, they put another card in of appreciation and that they hope I love this new scent as much as they are. I do. I love my CA. She even sent me a text checking on me last week just to see how I was, just to see how I was doing, and we ended up having a fantastic text conversation. And right now our malls are still not open. They're going to open, I believe, next week for curbside. So I do have an order in at Bloomingdale's, and it says it can't ship, that I have to pick it up locally. So I'm hoping that I'm able to go pick it up curbside next week. And I do have a Father's Day gift coming in from Louis Vuitton via Bloomingdale's. So I do definitely want to pick that up myself so I can squirrel it away from my husband. So let's get to the unboxing. Here's obviously the card and the receipt. I didn't get the bag like you guys got. I got this put in the package, which is fine, but this is the bag that it came in. I haven't decided if I'm going to get that limited fragrance holder or not, because I do have the large Matière Noir, so that normally sits in this one, but I think this scent is going to be my summer scent. So and hopefully they'll come out with the travel size with the atomizer, because I really like those for my purses. So let's open this up. Oh, and they put more samples in there, of course. Right. That's good. That's good salesmanship. So since I live here, it is the California Dream. I have bought into the California Dream. I just love this scent. What I did with the sample, and what I normally do with fragrance samples, I spray them, I just sniff them immediately, and then I wait several hours, and then, just keep periodically checking the spot. I usually put it up higher so I don't wash it off when I wash my hands, and I just keep checking. So with the last unboxing and getting the fragrances in with my wallet, I did that with both of the fragrances, and a few hours later I smelled it again, because at first I wasn't sure. Smelled it again, and I was like, yes, this is a chemistry blend. So I did go and buy it. I absolutely love the colors. I don't know why I love pink and blue together. I don't even wear pink and blue together that much, but something about this makes me think of cotton candy and happiness, which we could all use right now. And definitely a new scent. Scents are getting me through this, candles and everything. So yeah, I bought into the California Dream, literally and figuratively. So that's my new fragrance purchase, and we'll see how all in I am if I go and get the holder for it. But right now it's going to go into this, and the Matière I'll find her a spot on the side where she'll be safe. And then I'll make the decision if I want to buy the holder for this, if it's going to be a keeper or not. But I'm also going to check out these new fragrances they sent me. I did buy another fragrance that you'll see in another video, so I won't be buying anything new as far as fragrances go for a while. As you know, I'm on my makeup kick and still shopping these good clothing sales. So yeah, that was my unboxing. And I'll post some photos, of course, on the Instagram. And I will see you in my next unboxing. I might even unbox the Father's Day gift. It's one of them. because I don't think my husband watches my channel. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's not the first time I bought him one of these items, but it's been a while. And he's a subtle guy. He's very much into subtlety. So I did the best that I could with this one to keep it subtle, but it is LV. So, all right, you guys have a great rest of your weekend and a good week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.